All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on where you are connected from. My name is Emmanuel Adigbola, aka the Forex Apostle. They call me the Forex Apostle because I'm a minister of the gospel. I trade the Forex market for a living and I mentor others to success in Forex. I love what I do. I can do this from morning till night. I'm passionate about what I do. And of course, this week has been a wonderful week. On Monday, we covered a lot. On Tuesday, on Wednesday, and today now, this is day number 4. So just a feedback before we go into today, what we are going to be doing today. I want to pick just 3 of you. I want you to share with us your aha moment. What have you gained so far, and how has this training helped you? To change your orientation about finance, about your situation, about Forex, and about making money. So please make sure you mute your line if you have noisy background. I'm going to allow you to be able to talk. So as I said, I'm going to be picking the first 3 people. So you can enable your sound, you can enable your video, or you can raise your hand up and I will call you. Let's quickly do that before we get started. Let's quickly do that. Who wants to go first? Just 3. You want to share with us how has this training helped you, help your understanding? What have you gained so far? What will you say about the Forex Apostle Mentoring Program, especially this challenge? So who wants to go first? Let's see. The problem we always have is who will be number 1. After that, now you see so many people who want to talk. So who wants to go first? Come on, guys. Okay, I heard everyone. Okay, nobody wants to share. I believe you guys can talk, right? Yeah. Okay. I'm waiting. Okay, Jacob, go ahead. You can unmute yourself, Jacob.
All right, Apostle. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon to everyone. At first, I wasn't taking this serious. I thought it was something you can do as a part-time. But from this couple of days, I see this is serious business. You have made it so simple. I'm telling you, you have made it so simple. And that puts me in a different frame of mind that no, I should take this as a full-time thing. Good. So therefore, congratulations. Thank you. That you put a certain time frame, or a certain mind frame, I should say, that I should go in for this. And no turning back or looking back. So kudos to you, Apostle.
Good. Thank you. And greetings to your children. I could hear them background. Okay, guys, who wants to share with us again what you have gained so far? How has this challenge opened your thinking faculty in a different dimension? Your aha moment for the past 4 days. Come on, who wants to go? Who is the next? Remain 2 people. Come on, guys. Or you can type on the chat window. I see Christopher says where I am is noisy. I wish I could talk. It's okay, Christopher. It's okay. Thank you for being here. Who again, guys? Okay, if there is nobody that wants to share, we can just continue with today. So far so good. We have been able to cover basics that we need to understand when it comes to Forex. We have been able to, explain what Forex is, what Forex is not, who are the Forex players, and of course we've gone through a lot when it comes to sharing about Forex. So by now I think you have basic understanding of what Forex is. So this is where we stopped yesterday, and what we are going to be doing right now, because of our time, is we are going to be creating an account. We are going to be installing our MT4 MetaTrader 4. Now, but before we do that, what are the things you need to trade? We talk about that. For you to trade, number 1, you need the right mindset, which we've already talked about. Okay, right mindset. You need a right mindset. Then number two, of course, you need to have a computer, laptop, okay, no matter how old it is. I know many people trade with cell phone, and I told you because cell phone is limited. You cannot install custom indicators and so on and so forth on cell phone or even a tablet. So you need at least a computer, a desktop, okay, no matter how. Then you need internet. Okay, you need internet. If you are using your cell phone, it must be connected with internet. If you are using your tablet, it must be connected with internet. And if you are using desktop, of course, you need internet connection, stable internet connection. Then number four, you need a trading platform, okay, trading platform, which you get from your broker, and this is free. Okay, trading platform. In this case, we're going to be using MT4. Some brokers are now migrating to MT5, okay, and you can just trade with what you see, regular candlestick right there. But then the problem with a regular candlestick is that there are a lot of structures and this and that is why I talk about custom. You need a custom trading system, and this is where the Forex Apostle systems, okay, come into play. So custom trading systems, because if you go online right now and you type, you go online and you type maybe price action, or you type market structures, or all this stuff, there are a lot that you will see online. So if I go, I type market forex structures or patterns, you know. If I go online and I type this, as a newbie, there are different. Okay, you guys cannot see my screen. So if you are a newbie, when you are starting newly, how many can you memorize out of all of this? You know, when you're talking about patterns, we talk about symmetrical triangle, we talk about ascending triangle, descending triangle, we talk about bearish double top, bearish head and shoulder, rising wedge. I mean, so there's just a lot when it comes to all these structures. Okay, you see all this funny wedge, bullish rectangle. So it's just a lot when it comes to patterns and structures, especially talking about a price action. So that is why you need a predictable system that you can just, okay, you look at it, you can just 1, 2, 3, you know what you want to do. For instance, let me share my screen again. Taking a look at this, okay, you see this. You can easily see, okay, this is where to buy, okay, this is where to buy, and this is where to put my stop loss. And remember what we discussed yesterday, only what you can control is your risk. Okay, you cannot control how much you are going to make. In fact, you have no control over what the market will do, but you have control over what you are able to risk. And I think we talked about this extensively yesterday. And when you are starting off, you are not supposed to be risking more than 1 to 2% of your account. Okay, so you are not supposed to be risking more than that. So when you look at this is very clean, and you can easily say, okay, you know what? Okay, this is where I'm going to enter. This is where I'm going to put my stop loss. And as long as you see this, okay, it's time for me to exit my trade, and so on and so forth. Then also yesterday we talked about the market sessions that we have: Asian session, we have a London session, we have a New York session. So for instance, if I scroll right now, if I go to, let's say, USD, let's just pick a figure, let's just pick a chart. So like this one now, USD JPY, by the way, I traded this this morning, and it's been wonderful trade. So if you look at it, this is London, okay, this is Asian market, and this is where London market starts. This is where London market starts. Okay, don't worry guys, we go. I know some of you might, okay, what am I doing? It's like I'm speaking a tongue. Don't worry, we'll get there. But then you can see from this place, okay, from this place from this place to this place. This is Asia market. Actually, between here and here, we have the Frankfurt market, but from 10:00, okay, that is my time right here when you're talking about the chart, okay, my broker's time. This is when the London market opens, okay, around this time, and you can see what happened afterwards. So you can easily say, okay, you know what, no trade, oh, there is trade. So it's very easy when we are talking about trading than you just trying to say, okay, you know what, I'm dealing with an upper wedge, a lower wedge, upper triangle, lower triangle. I've been trading Forex since 2006, and I can tell you boldly that I don't trade more than just 6 to 8, and my students know that, just 6 to 8 when it comes to market structures, and the rest, they're on their own. So because we have our own system that we use. So now let's the first thing now we want to do is we want to download, because we have a lot to cover today and the time is flying. So we want to download. If you have not created your account, you want to go to join. If you are outside of the United States, you click on www.joinfxchoice.com. So go online and you type, you can take, I believe you have your note, so .joinfxchoice.com. So once you get there, okay, by the way, you are free to choose your own brokers, but these are the brokers that I use. And I hope you know that everything we are doing right now is just for educational purpose only. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not asking anybody to go and carry or mortgage your house and put into Forex. This is what is working for me, and I'm just sharing with you. And if you see that it will better your life also, you can do that. So once you go to www.joinfxchoice.com, it will bring you to this page. This is my affiliate page. I get compensated for referring you to them. So that is my link. So now you just put in your name, full name, your email address, your password, and of course you check this. Then you click on next. Okay, you click on next, and you click on next till you finally get in. Okay, so that is what you are going to do, and I hope you guys are, if you're on your computer, you are doing that right away. So after you finish that, you want to confirm you want to, submit your KYC document. This is a business, I hope you know. So you submit your KYC document, that is talking about your know your customers document, and most of the time is your ID. You submit your ID and utility bill. Okay, utility bill that will show your name. Okay, it has to show your name and your address. It has to show your name and your address. So you submit your ID. Okay, that's like a driver's license, or if you are outside, you can use your international passport. Okay, you can use your international passport. Then you submit your utility bills or your bank statement that shows the same name and the same address as what you have on your ID. Very important. Very important. Once again, you go to www.joinfxchoice.com. That is if you are outside of US. It's the same thing. If you are in US, you go to www.joinaafxtrading.com. If you are outside of US, you go to www.joinfxchoice.com. I'm just trying to explain that because FX Choice doesn't take US residents again. But for some of us that we already have an account with them, you can still use them. You can still trade with them. So, or you can do who goes with. There are a lot of brokers. I use about 8 of them. But then these are just the 3 that I normally recommend. In fact, just yesterday I was being referred to another broker that I'm testing out. But these are just the 3 that I normally recommend. As I said, do your own due diligence. But this, remember, we talk about what to look into before you sign up with any broker. You want to look at their regulations. Out of all of them, FX Choice is my number 1 priority. Number 1 preference actually, because they are regulated. AFX trading is not regulated. Who goes with is not regulated, but that doesn't mean that you cannot use them. A lot of all these brokers are not regulated, but you can still use them. And if they are going to close down, they will still tell you. to possibly withdraw your money, close your account, and so on and so forth. So is that steps clear, guys? Is that steps clear? Is that steps clear? Any question? Please type the link here. So the link is www.join, or somebody can just be helping us to be typing that. Join. I wish. Where is Daisy? My assistant supposed to be somewhere there. www.joinfxchoice.com. So that's the link right there, or you can just put HTTP into it. So www.joinfxchoice.com. That is my number one preference. The second one is www.joinaafxtrading.com, and I explained that those are my affiliate link. So once you get there, you'll be able to create your account. Now, if you don't have all those documents already, it's okay. You can still continue what you are doing. You can still open what is called demo account. Demo account, a demo is a practice account. Okay, demo account. So once if you get to FX Choice, you create your account, and if you don't have your KYC documents immediately, it's okay. You can still submit. You can still go ahead and do whatever you want to do. Then today, what we want to do is we want to download MT4 platforms. We go to MT4. So I'm going to be downloading this for Windows. Okay, you can also log in to your account and download from your account, but I'm just going to be doing this from here. Now, when you are creating an account from inside of your, let's say, okay, you have logged in. Let me log into FX Choice. Let me log in to FX Choice. Then I will show you guys something, because there are different type of accounts. I used to use their pro account, but now I use the variable. So let's see. I'm entering my authorization. Give me a minute. So we have where's FX Choice? FX Choice. Okay. 83503. All right. Okay. So once you log in to your account, you can go to, once you log into your account, you can go to demo. Okay. So once you get to demo, you can create, you see right here, you say open demo account. Open demo account. So once you click on open demo account, then right here, there are a lot of, I have series of all these trainings also in our members area that you can follow. I also have some of them in my YouTube channel in case you miss any of the steps. So this is the one I'm using right now, MT4 classic variable. These ones you can, as long as you close your trade in a day, the spread is very, number one, the spread is very low, and they don't charge you for any commission. Okay, so you just click on this. Okay, so right there, then currency, because I'm in US, I'm going to select USD, and the leverage I'm going to do 1 to 200. Deposit I'm going to do you can do 1,000, depends on where you are. Then the password, you can just create your password. Okay, you just create a password, then you open an account. So once you open it, this is it right here. Okay, this is the account, and it's going to send you an email also. So this is your login information, this is the server, and this is the account type. So this is for FX Choice. The same step you will follow if you are doing FX trading. Okay, FX trading, the same step. Okay, so after we do that, as I said, you now go to download. You just download MT4, which we just did. If I go back now to account and I go to demo, you can see the account that we just created right there. That is it right there. This is the account. Okay, so right now, if I want to download MetaTrader 4, you can also download right inside your dashboard. So once you download, it's right here. Now we want to install it. So you click on open. Want to install. So please make sure you work with me right here. Now it's becoming more interesting. And then you just click on next, and then let it run. So Okay, so then you click on finish. Okay, finish. So we finished the installation. You don't have anything to do with this ones, just close it. So we are waiting for it to load. We are waiting for it to load. So we've installed it. We're waiting for it to load. How many of you is following the step? If you are following the steps or you are taking note, type yes, 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 I'm following, yes, I'm following, yes, I'm following, yes, yes, I'm following. Come on, guys, type it right on the chat window. How many of you are following the steps? You are possibly either doing it as I'm doing it, or you are taking notes, or you are writing notes, or you are walking it as we are doing it together. Let me see. Good, good. Samuel, okay, good. Jacobs, good. Godwin, good. Secure, good. Grace, okay, awesome, awesome, awesome. Right, so this is where it becomes interesting. So this is what we just install right now. Okay, so we just install the MT4. Now, you will see possibly different this thing on my system because I already have FX choice on my system. Okay, so but once you have finished that download, okay, it will run. Okay, once it runs, then because sometimes the system freezes, especially I don't know why FX choice does that these days, or I think it's MT4. Okay, it's okay right there. Okay, we have, okay, I think it's loaded right now. So I'll go to, come on, I have, all right. Okay, so it has loaded. So right now we want to install. So this is how you will see it. Okay, this is how you will see it. And you can just close all these, and open up this. You cannot trade with this. This is why I was talking about that. Okay, if you know what you are doing, you can begin to trade right now. But because you don't have all of this knowledge before, even if you're a pro, trust me, I always recommend you to use a simple custom system that you can work with. A simple custom system you can work with. And I'm going to be giving you one of my tools for free. Okay, one of my tools for free is called the Easy Trend. Okay, the latest version, I'm going to be giving it to you. So now, once you get the download link, all you have to do is download it. Okay, you download it. Go to the folder. Like the link I'm going to give to you is this link. So I will give you this link. So like once you get the link, it's going to show like this. So once it show like this, you will click on direct download. Do you see that? You will click on direct download, this one. So once you click on direct download, so I'm going to click on that. So it has downloaded. You see right there. So it has downloaded to my download folder right there. Can you guys see that right there? So that is where you will now copy it from. Okay, I'm just guiding you through the steps, especially some of you that have not really done this before. So you will open that folder and you will copy it from there. But I'm just going to be copying directly from my system, so which is this. So you copy, you right click, you copy. So after you copy, go back to your tools and you go to file. Okay, then open data folder. Now once again, you go to file, you go to open data folder. This is how you install any custom indicator. Open data folder. Okay, then you click on MQL4, then you click on indicators folder and you paste it. Okay, file, open data folder, MQL4, indicators folder. So once you do that, you click on file, open data folder, as you can see right there, MQL4, double click, then indicators. I will right click, I will paste what I copied there. So that is it right there. is already there. So I'm going to close it. So I will come to my MT4. I will right click and I will refresh. Now, there's a lot into all of this, talking about the trading platform. You have to understand each of all these tools, how you open file. And guys, I hope you know that there is no way we can cover everything in just 1 week. Okay, and that is the purpose of mentorship. But I will try my best to make sure I give you something to get started with. So now I'm going to just click on delete all of this, delete all of this, delete all of this because I don't need it. So I will right click, I will go to properties. Okay, you see right there, colors, my bar down. Now we have 3 types of charts that you can work with. We have line chart, we have the candlestick. You see, we have the line chart, we have the candlestick, and we have pie chart right there at the bar chart. But we don't use most of all those. We only use a candlestick, and there's a reason why we use the candlestick. We cannot go into the details of the theory of how the candlestick started and so on and so forth, but just know that that's what we're going to be using right there. So I'm going to bar down right there and click on let's click on red. I click on red. Then my blue, I can just leave it even the way it is. Then I'll go to common. So you see, I select candlestick and I disable grid. So right now, you see, it has changed. Okay, now I have a very clean, very clean system to work with. Now I want to install that custom indicator that we just installed. So I will go to this. Look at this place right there. Look at here. You can go to insert indicators, or you just come to this place where you see plus right there. Can you guys see it? If you can see it, type 7. If you can see it, type 7. If you can see that, type 7. Type 7. Right. Okay, awesome. So you see right there. So you click on that. So once you click on that, okay, we want to add that indicator. So you will go to, or you can go to insert indicators and you look for custom. But the shortcut is here. You click right there, custom, then look for what we just added right now, which is the easy trend version 1.02. There is 1.01, but this one is just the latest. In fact, my developers just delivered it actually 3 days ago. So right there, you can see easy trend right there. So input, there are different settings, but I'm just going to give you point blank the one that I use. I leave it at 20. Okay, I leave this at 20. That is the moving average. As I said, we don't have the time to start talking about the theories, the settings, and this, but just follow my lead. Now, this is the bullish arrow size. Do I want to show arrow? I can turn this one off. I turn this one off. Now, show arrow true. Now, the lines right there, see this, the size. I can increase the size to 4. Then I have all of these bearish arrow size. I put it also for 4. Then, do I need a pop-up sound? Why do you need that? Let's say, for instance, I step away from my desk, and the trend is changing. Now, this indicator is a trend. It's a trend trading tool. Okay, it's a trend trading indicator. And of course, forex trading is easy when you make trend your friend. How many of you have heard the word trend is your friend? The trend is your friend. The trend is your friend. The trend is your friend. Okay, so once you understand what is going on, then you just follow the trend. Okay, for instance, if everybody is buying Toyota Corolla, you don't want to go and be buying Toyota Sienna. You want to follow the trend. So in forex, the trend is your friend, and that is what we're trying to do. You want to, okay, what is if the market is going, you do 3 things. If the market is going up, when you are having higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, what you are looking to do is you are looking to buy. If the market is going down, all what you are looking to do is what? To sell. You remember those jargons that we talk about again? When we talk about you go long or you go short. Remember, all those we talk about now is adding up. So if the market is going up, okay, all what you are looking forward to do is you are looking forward to buy. If the market is going down, all what you're looking forward to do is what? To sell. And if the market is ranging, okay, if the market is ranging, it's not going anywhere, then you stay off the market. Okay, you stay off the market. So these indicators will allow you to know, okay, is this market going up? Is this market going down? Or is it ranging? So, and that is why we have. Now, as I said, when you step out of your system, you want something to alert you. For instance, if I go downstairs now, I can just, my system, I will hear the noise. Oh, okay, yeah, this is happening. Then I will come back. So pop-up alert, I will set it to be true. Sound alert, I will set it to also to be true. And the color, you can also change this around. I can change this one to blue or prime, and this one like that. So, and okay, so this is what we have. Do you see? So this is what we have. Now, if you look at the settings right now, okay, if you look at the settings, we put the period at 20. Okay, we put the period at 20, and that is why we have it this way. So now, how do I use this to trade? When the candle, okay, when the trend change, okay, when the trend changes, right now there's a news, right, coming out. So when the trend changes like this, all what I'm looking forward to do is what? Go short. You see, after this candle turn, you see right there, that candle, let's change that color to stop the confusion. We can change this to another color so we see it very clearly. All right, okay, so you see that right there. You see that right there. So now when after this candle closes, okay, now what my system is telling me right now is that, okay, Emmanuel, after this candle closes, you can enter what? Short. So when you enter short position right there, when the candle, so at the opening of this candle, that is when we know every candlestick. As I said, guys, we have a lot to cover in this short time that we have together. Now, to every candle you see, there is what is called the open, we have the close, we have the high, and we have the low. So at the open of this next candle, that is when we pull in the trigger and we enter the trade. Now, where do you put your stop loss? At my stop loss, I will put it right there. My stop loss will come right there. Okay, so if my stop loss comes to this place, why this place? Because this is the highest high that the market gets to before it starts coming back down. So there is every possibility that if this market is going to go against me, it might still come back to retest this place. Okay, it might still come back to retest this place. Now, if you come back to retest this place, I don't want my stop loss to be here. I want my stop loss to be somewhere here. Remember what I said, you can only control what you are willing to risk. And if our account, remember we have that account that we created. So let's log into that account, log into trade. What is that account number? Let me see again. I think I should have received an email with it. Okay, so we have this account that we just created, the login. Now you will choose your server. The server, remember the account, the server is FX, I believe it's not, okay, it's classic demo. So then you put in the account information 527740. Then you put in your password. So you log into that account. So now I've logged into this account and this is what I have right here. Okay. So this is what I have right now. You can see that that demo account that we opened for $1,000 is right here. As you can see, the balance, the equity, and the free margin is right there. How many of you can see that? How many of you can see that I've been doing the talking all by myself? Come on, guys. How many of you can see that? How many of you can see that? How many of you can see that? Okay, awesome, awesome, good. Okay, good. So right now, we've logged in. Now we also have our indicator, okay, custom indicator that we install, and right now you can begin to trade. Okay, you just need to understand simple rules. So the simple rules, first of all, what are the rules? There's what I call the CEST, okay, that you have to understand to every system you are using. C stands for the condition, and these conditions must align, okay, before you enter your trade. Okay, before you enter your trade, what are the conditions? Number one, the easy trend must turn, okay, green, okay, depends on the color, if you want to go long, okay, and the market must be going what? Long. Now this is very easy. You can trade with the way it is right now, but then you also need a system to kind of check yourself. We call it check and balancing. Okay, you want to check yourself. You don't want to be like, okay, yeah, just enter blindly, because if this arrow is telling me to go up, I need another indicator or another thing to kind of verify that, okay, it's time for me to go up. Because imagine this one say go up right here. If I decided to go long, because this is where this candle closes, if I decide to go long in this place, my stop loss will be in this place. Do I have enough space? This trade would have ended possibly in loss, okay, because there is no, I didn't verify it. So you need another system to verify this, okay, and that is why I decide, okay, this is you cannot see this anywhere online. Okay, if you see anybody using this type of indicator, they use it all by itself, you know, but I decided to add another indicator, which is the moving average. So if I added this moving average, I added moving average 50 exponential, and I put this color, and I like to make it bold, so I have it like this. Okay, exponential moving average 50, and I have it like this. So now this makes more sense. Actually, this is the system that we develop also to form Tradermatic. So if you have this, indirectly you are having many, I call it many Tradermatic. So right now you can see what we have. So you have this, okay, this is it. So right now you can begin to trade. You can begin to trade because this is right now, let me see. So we have our easy trend right there. I can just change the color, I can change the font, and right there. So we have this is it. So you can now save this as a template. Go to chart, you go to templates, save, and I'm going to save this as easy trend. Now for some of my VIP students, okay, all my VIP students, you definitely, I mean, you have access to Tradermatic, you have access to Easy PCFX, you have access to FX Sniper. So this also, I believe, you have access to, and if you don't have access to it, you can also ask me. Now I can make this system, okay, more robust. I can make this system more robust. How can I make it more robust? Now remember, we talk about CEST. We talk about CEST, that is CEST, the condition, the entry, my stop loss, and my target. So So these are the 4 things that need to be in place before you place any trade. Okay, what are the conditions? So right now, before I can say, okay, I'm going short, the price, which is the market, must be below this 50 EMA. You see, now it's beginning to make sense. Okay, now it's beginning to make sense. So if I want to go short, the price must be below, okay, this 50 EMA. So right now is below, so I can go short with that. And of course, the price must be trending down. Okay, for me to go short, also easy trend, okay, must be red. This is it, it's red, as you can see. For me to go short, now I'm able to go short. So now my entry will be the close of this candle. Okay, my entry will be the close of the signal candle. So entry will be equals to close of the signal candle. Then my stop loss will be 3 to 5 pips above, okay, the highest high before my entry. So where is the highest high before my entry? So this is the highest high before my entry, as I said right before. So like right now, this will be this is the highest high. So my stop loss will be somewhere here. My entry will be somewhere here. Now, where will be my target? Where will be my target? My target, I can do risk to reward 1-to-1 like this. You see, that's 42 pips. If I measure down, this is a 42 pips right there. So 42 pips is around here, which we definitely get to. Can you even see? We actually move beyond that. Look at it. We move beyond that. This market moved down 149 pips, actually 149 pips downward. 149 pips. You remember what we talked about yesterday? Now that if you have a standard account size, 1 pip, the pip value for 1 pip is $10. So imagine you have this 149 pips. Imagine you have 149 pips. That is $1,490 for 1 day. Okay, because this between here and here is 1 day. Actually, between this place and this place is 1 day. And even if it is not 1 day, if you keep the trade overnight, you still have it like 1.5 days. Some people don't make this in a whole month. Some people don't make this in a whole week. So that is the condition to go short. So what is the condition to go long? Okay, what is the condition to go long? Are you guys following? Are you guys following at all, guys? Are you guys following? If you are following me, type yes, yes, yes on the chat window. Type yes, yes on the chat window. Come on, guys. Type yes, 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 yes on the chat window. Type yes, 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 yes on the chat window. Okay, awesome, awesome. So let's open another chart and use it to do our up. As you can see, this chart, okay, this is long. This chart, the trend is up. The trend is up, okay? As you can see, the trend is up right now. But then you can't do anything with this. You can't do anything with this, especially if you are new, okay? You can't do anything with it. And that is why we use our template. We use our template, which is the easy trend. So it's right here. So this is the template. Take a look at it. So what is the rules? Okay, for us, remember CEST. So the condition for you to go long, okay, number one, the price must be above 50 EMA. This is the 50 EMA. the price must be above it. So for instance, like this now, I will not honor this short signal. Okay, this is what we call signal. So the price must be above. Yes, I can honor this one. Okay, I will honor this one. Okay, I can honor this one. So it means I will enter and my stop loss will be somewhere right there. So you don't want that to, that's too long. So I might actually not enter that trade right there. So the trade that I will enter might be this particular one. So if I enter right there, so now this will be where I will enter my trade right there. Then my stop loss will be right below. Okay, I can put it right there. Okay, below the 50 EMA. So you can do 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. This is 54 pips. I'm risking 54 pips. If I go up, 54 pips is around here. Okay, that's 54 pips right here. 54 pips is around there. Okay, so take a look. If we enter here, we take our profit from there, we risk this. But even it therefore means that we even shorten ourselves, because the market goes all the way up to, I mean, I will exit my trade around that side. That's 168 pips. So 168 pips, 168 pips, if you are trading one standard lot, okay, that will be $1,680 for that trade. Okay, that will be 1,680 for that trade. 1,680 for that trade. As a matter of fact, I traded this particular currency pair. I traded this particular currency pair last night. Actually, this morning. This morning, let me see. I can't share my screen. As you can see right there. I don't know if you guys can. Oh, you can see it. You can see. That's let me see if I can send it. I will send it to my email right now. I will send it to my email. Let me see. I will send it to my email, then I will download it and show you guys. That is actually the result that I get this morning trading that particular pair. So let me download it from my email. I just send it. Okay, I just forwarded it, as you can see. So I do not think, oh, okay, yeah, possibly just. So this is it right here. Okay, I just sent, you can see right now, I just sent it to myself. Okay, so right there, that is the trade. As you can see, USD CHF, actually, that was the one I traded, not APY. So as you can see, that's just this morning, that's $1,883, just this morning. Okay, that's to tell you that what I'm showing you works, and anybody can use it. Anybody can use it. Okay, so let's quickly take a look, finish our rules. So we talk about the CEST. Okay, so the condition for you to go long, number one, the price must be above 50 EMA. Number two, our trend line, which is the easy trend, must be green. That is condition number two, it must be green. And then number three, the market must be trending up. So you can enter long, stop loss is there, and you have your take profit. So this is a very simple system, a very simple tool. I'm going to be posting the link to our Facebook group, and you guys can download it there. But I want to beg you, this must not be shared with someone that is not on this training. Okay, the purpose of this, if I can leave out everything I'm doing to give you guys my time, then whoever wants to get anything supposed to be able to sacrifice his or her own time. Okay, not to start sharing it with your friend. Hey, oh, this is no, it's only for you. If I discover that, I won't be happy. Okay, so this is how you have it. You can begin to type your questions. Now, there's a way you can make this system look more robust, and that's where my VIP students, okay, my VIP disciples, they actually have that. Now, to make this, okay, more robust, I'm going to be adding some tools to it. Okay, I can decide to, okay, add this. Now I'm going to change this around now. So I will add, let me see, I will add my auto flip zone. So boom, You see, right there, it has changed the look. Now I will also add my counter, my time. I can't trade without this. I just like my counter. You see that? It's telling me, okay, when the candle is going to close. This is telling me when my candle is going to close. Then lastly, because I always like to, have so many conditions to align before I enter a trade. So I will enter my MACD. MACD Pro is also one of my tools. Add zero line. And right there and there, my color, inputs, I want all of them. So all. Then right there. So now, you see, the system is looking different. So if I go, template, save, I can now save this as easy trend VIP. So this is what we have as one of my students. If you are one of my students, you will have this. So this makes it easy for you. Now, we start talking about the sixth again. So the condition. So what are the conditions? Number one, the price must be above the 50 EMA. Condition number two, the MACD must be trending up. As you can see, it must be above zero, as you can see. Number three, the trend line must be green. That is the condition to make that okay, I want to go long. Now, what is the condition for me to go short? The same thing here. I can add that. I can add this VIP right there also. So the condition once again for me to go short, this is the condition right here. At number one, I have to what? The trend line, okay, must be red. Number two, the price must be below 50 EMA. Number three, my MACD must be, okay, trending down or at least less than zero, which you can also see right here. Okay, and what happened after is this. At the moment I start seeing green histogram or bar forming at MACD, I'm getting ready to exit my trade. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Easy Trend. You're going to be getting the basic version if you are attendees of this class. If you are one of our students or one of our VIP students, you get the full version, which is the VIP version of it. And also yesterday, I made an offer to you guys that if you want to, if you want to join us, you want to be one of the Forex disciples, you also have an access to join us. And I was given a promo yesterday, which will expire tomorrow. Actually, which will expire tomorrow. You don't have to join. It's not a must. Life is all about decision. It's all about choices and chances. The choice you make right now, okay, will determine where you will be tomorrow. Decision you made yesterday or you refuse to make is responsible for where you are right now. And the decision you make right now will determine where you will be tomorrow. Okay? How will your life be if you are able to be making just $1,000 a day, $500 a day? I just showed you how we'll be able to do this. Now, what we have covered in this training so far, we talk about what Forex is not, what is not Forex. We talk about 20 online business models you can start. We talk about who trade Forex and why you should trade Forex. When can you trade Forex? We talk about why over 90% of Forex traders fails. And I also told you about 4 reasons Forex traders lose money. We've looked into how to create your free Forex brokerage account. We've looked into how to set up your trading platform, how to install my custom indicator, which you are getting for free. My simple strategy to making minimum of 10K per month. We just reviewed that. And tomorrow, I'm going to be topping it with eyes on the cake for you. I'm going to be showing you, my strategy that I use every day on top of this. And I will also be showing you 5 ways, okay? Tomorrow is going to be loaded. 5 ways you can begin to make, okay, $10,000 per month trading the Forex market. I'm going to be showing you that tomorrow. We talk about 5 different ways to be making money. That will be tomorrow. How to claim your $3,500. You can claim that right now. Claiming your $3,500 discount right now to join the Forex Apostle Mentoring Program. As I said, you have 2 choices. You can implement this by yourself, spend more money, time to figure it out, or you can give me permission to be your mentor and your coach Okay, you don't need to lose the money I have lost. You don't need to waste the time I have wasted. Okay, imagine you have this car but you don't know how to drive it. What's going to happen? Guys, you have this kind of car but you don't know how to drive it. What is going to happen? Instead of two things, it's either you kill yourself or you wreck the car. Okay, the same thing happens when you have a system but you don't know how to use it. Okay, these are reasons why many successful people in the world have a coach and mentor. You need to know how to navigate through Forex trading. Okay, once again, introducing the Forex Apostle Mentoring and Coaching 6-month coaching and mentorship program. I'm going to be taking questions immediately after this, so begin to type your questions. Okay, and as I said yesterday, what we'll be covering in our training or what we'll be getting access to. You'll be getting access to Forex education and training, cryptocurrency education and training, stocks investing education and training. And remember, every of the strategy I show you or I teach you guys, you can use it to trade either stocks, cryptocurrency, or Forex, or futures, or whatever, as long as it is on MT4. Okay, cryptocurrency trading software, you'll be getting that, Forex trading software, Forex journal for traders, cutting-edge trading robot, discount access to one-on-one master coaching with me, Forex business building strategies, investment guide and training, live weekly training with me, first-class global support, generous commission on all our products and services, new members orientation webinars, and some of the things you will be learning within the period. Okay, once you sign up, you get access to our members area, so it's learning at your pace. Okay, you get access to one module every week, and of course follow with assignment. So what you're going to be covering: trading foundation of all the basics, how to build a trading plan including entries, position sizing, target, exit strategy, how to conduct fundamental analysis to find innovative tech and the tech out market, using technical analysis to quantify price, understanding crypto market cycles, how to manage risk to minimize losses, and so on and so forth. Guys, it's a 6-month coaching and mentorship program. Okay, you cannot but to join this. Now, how is this going to work? Once you sign up, as I said, you will get access to the online environment whereby you can learn at your pace. Okay, does this mean you will have to wait after 6 months before you can start making money? No. The answer is very, very simple. No. Some people start trading immediately after 1 month, 2 months, even before end of 1 month. So how long will it take you, okay, to become a medical doctor, IT professionals, an engineer? How much is it going to cost you? Okay, you know, some of all these colleges, you have to pay about $40,000 per year. So you don't have to pay that here. Okay, once again, you are developing the skills that will make you to be making. I just showed you $1,880 that I made today. Now, mastering these skills, having all these tools, you'll be able to start making money like this: $5,000 a day. Okay, $5,791 a day, $1,482 a day, $3,921 a day, $6,658 a day, $8,320 a day, $11,163 a day. In the last 6 months, this what I made from 2 accounts. You know, time will fail me. I don't want to be playing you testimonials, but there are a lot of testimonials online on my YouTube channel, my website, and so on and so forth. So how much does it cost to join the Forex Apostle Mentorship Program? Okay, before I tell you that, let me tell you the fast action bonus, because even life itself compensates you if you are a fast action taker. You will get live discount access to all the courses, software, system that will ever be created by my companies. Okay, the value of that is priceless. You get 1 year free access to Elite FX Signal service. Okay, that is $497 per year, but yours will be free. Lifetime access to our student alone private Facebook and WhatsApp group. The value of that is priceless. You will be getting access, backdoor access to the VIP versions of all my proprietary system. The value of that also around $2,097 if you have to buy them separately. You will be getting all of these tools. Okay, and considering different indicators, different systems, as a mechanic shop, you have different Okay, spanner, size 7, size 11, because each market has its own unique way of moving, and sometimes you need different systems to trade them. All right, so the total value of what you'll be getting if you join the Forex Apostle coaching and mentorship program today is actually priceless. Okay.
My name is Stephen Akintayo, Africa's most sought after personal finance coach, and I'm here with my brother, Mr. Emmanuel Adebola, and I want to encourage as many people to join his cryptocurrency trading coaching program. I personally have sent so many students to him. I've seen testimonies, and I can assure you it's one of the best decisions you can ever make if you want your finances to move to the next level. God bless you, bye-bye.
So, I always tell you about this John Assaraf's quote. He says, success might happen slow, it might happen fast, but at the end of the day, it is the people who take action that are rewarded. Okay? And the path to success is to take massive, determined action, by Tony Robbins. So, investing $9,097 to join the Forex Apostle Mentorship Program, honestly speaking, it will be a steal, but I'm not going to charge you that. These are all what you'll be getting. Okay, if you join the Forex Apostle Mentorship Program, the total value of everything you are going to be getting, apart from my support, is over $15,000. Or what you will be paying because you attended this training, because you attended this challenge, okay, is just $997. They just say $1,000. So to claim this, all you have to go to www.jointfam.net, jointfam.net. Okay, and you enter the coupon code 80gift, and this is available only for today and tomorrow. It closes tomorrow. The coupon code will not work after tomorrow. And if you are outside of the United States and you are thinking, okay, how can I make the payment? You can make payment through Cash App, you can make payment through Zelle, you can pay through PayPal, you can pay through cryptocurrency, Ethereum, Bitcoin. All you have to do is chat me up and I will give you the code, the link. And of course, if you are in Nigeria, you can make deposits to our GTB account. And that's the account number right there. And you can also chat me up, okay, on WhatsApp if you have any question concerning all of this. My WhatsApp number is 214-444-3611. And you can chat me on Facebook also, facebook.com/the Forex Apostle. Once again, it cannot be easier than this. I want to thank you for showing up today. Tomorrow we're going to be tidying up everything, and I'm going to be showing you my last strategies also that you can use, which take a look at this. We're going to be doing that tomorrow, and I'll be showing you 5 ways to start, making minimum of 10K per month. How to also get access to bigger funds to trade. You have $500 right now, you have $1,000 right now. How do you get access to bigger funds, and so on and so forth? So let's see, Amos, in South Africa we have load shedding. Is it possible to give us a link so we can watch the lesson at the convenient time? Unfortunately, there is no recording for this training. I said it the invitation, and if you need a recording lifetime access, you have to pay for it. So just chat me up and you will get access to that. Now, please, what time frame does this indicator work best? It works with any time frame. It works, can work on 1 minute if you're a scalper. It can work on 10 minutes, or it can work on 4 hours, daily charts. It works on any time frame. All right. Good afternoon, Apostle. Can I convert the demo account to live accounts? No. Once you are ready to open your live account, you log into your account, you can open live account. But before your live account will be active, you must have confirmed, you must have been verified. That is, you must have submitted your KYC document. Okay, so I'm going to enable you guys now to talk. Please, once again, if you have noise at your background, make sure that you mute your line. So now, question time. I'm going to take just only 2 questions and then we will call it a day. Just 2 questions, comment, feedback, moment, wow moment, and who wants to go first? Come on, guys. Who wants to go first? Who wants to go first? Now you can enable your sound.
Yeah, Apostle. Good afternoon. This is Tayo.
Yes, how are you doing?
Yes, I'm very well, sir. Thank you very much for this new update on the easy trend, because I love it, and I think we spoke about it some time back. So I'm really loving the strategy. My question is for the five. I know you've kind of answered it, but for the 5-minute time frame, does that period of 20 does it need to be changed at all, or is it going to work perfectly as well?
Yeah, you don't change it. The reason why, that's why we use it with that 50 EMA as a filter. If you remember also, it's almost the same thing we have with Tradermatic, but the difference between it and Tradermatic is Tradermatic give you color. You know, it's kind of if you look at, for instance, now if you look at this area and if you have Tradermatic, you will see that you have your signal also over there, but around this place will be colored and so on and so forth. So the reason why we have the 50 EMA to serve as your filter, so you don't have to change the time. If I go to 5 minutes now, this is what we have. The only thing is that there will be so many, you have so many signals. You have so many signals, so you have to be able to, and that's why we have that filter. So you'll be able to filter it out, okay? Filter it out, which one you take. For instance, like this, this one now, I will not put this trade until like this, okay?
Yes.
So like this one, yes, I can enter this trade because number one, I now have my red line, the price is below this, then my stop loss either go above here or up here. The same thing is this. So like this one here, I will honor this because number one is below the 50 EMA, and then my stop loss can come there. And what is most important is the risk and money management. So like this, I will not enter this trade because it's below this, you see. So like this, I will not enter this trade because it's below this. So and like so on and so forth. And if you are a daily trader, almighty, it's also working right there, because like this one now, this is the like this, I will not enter this trade yet because the price is up, the chart is above. But like this is a cool trade right there. Enter there, stop loss there, and see what happens afterward. Like this is another trade that I will enter if you are a swing trader, because you have your 50 EMA, you have this. Now to kill this one pata again, you can add our Phoenix, almighty Phoenix. You guys have access to that also. So if you have Phoenix, this is it. So Phoenix will make it look like this. Then if you look at it very well, this is your Phoenix. This is telling you, okay, it's going down. Then you exit your trade here. This one, I will not honor it. This, I will enter the trade. And here, I will exit, and so on and so forth. So you can use it. If you are trading indices, you can also use it on indices. All you have to do is just open you can use cryptos, you can use, so let's say NASDAQ, this is NASDAQ, I load it. If I load it also on NASDAQ, let's load the VIP version on NASDAQ. This is it here. So like this is just the NASDAQ. Okay, right now, this is the news that just released. So like right now, if you look, I don't know if you see your system, NASDAQ, our indices generally, this is what it has been doing. I will not enter the trade. This one, I will not enter the trade. Right? This one, I will not enter the trade. If I'm going to enter the trade, it might have been somewhere right here, or if you miss that trade, it's okay. So that is the, I guess that answers your question, right?
Yes, it does. It does.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, cool. The last person before I jump on another training, the last person, a comment, a questions, and if you have made a payment, make sure you chat me up for you to be given access to the VIP segment. Any other question, comment?
Oh, okay. Thank you, sir. I'm Femi Uluwatime. I want to appreciate you for your time, sir. Sir, please, from your experience, what is the win ratio of this particular indicator?
Well, the two is over 70% winning rate, and I always tell people also. I know it's good. You ask that question is a very good question, But sometimes when it comes to system, I have seen system that has 50% winning rate and it will make you more money. In fact, I've had system that has like a 40% winning rate and will make you more money than you have 90% winning rate and you still lose money. Why? Let's assume you have, let me just have 5 trades. Okay, so let's say we have this one. The first one you make $100. The second one you make $50. The third one you make $100. The fourth one you lose $600. The fifth one you make $10. Okay, what is the winning rate? The winning rate of this system right now is 80%, right? But your take home is, this is 100, 250, 260 minus this. That's about minus 340 that you lose. Does that make sense? The winning rate is 80%, but you still lose more money. But what if this is minus, 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 and this is plus, minus? Then you say the winning rate of this is 20%. But then at the end of the day, you still go with $340. Does that make sense? So that is why sometimes I'm not really too curious about the winning rate. But it's really a good question, but it's just how effective that tool is. And
are you ready to change your career, or are you looking to make extra income outside what you are currently making? Do you belong to one of these groups? 1. You've been hearing about cryptocurrencies or blockchain technology, but you don't have a clue how to get started. 2. You've been hearing about Forex trading, but you have no clue how to make money with it. 3. You have lost your hard-earned money into crypto sharks or Forex sharks. 4. You are sick and tired of your job and you want your freedom? The Forex Apostle Mentoring Program is the global leader in Forex, stocks, and crypto education. As a disciple of the Forex Apostle, you gain skills that you need to succeed in this new economy. Get more than just extra income. Start living life on your term and at your own design. Join the community of like-minded people working towards the same goal as you. Become a Forex disciple today. Visit www.theforexapostlementoring.com to join us.